Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Pycharm versus VSCode versus Jupyter. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and unique advantages to help you decide which environment best suits your development needs. We'll delve into their performance, extensibility, and community support, providing a comprehensive overview. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each tool's strengths and weaknesses, empowering your choice for future projects. Pycharm, developed by JetBrains, is a full-fledged integrated development environment, or IDE, specifically designed for Python. It excels with powerful code analysis, intelligent refactoring, and an advanced debugger, making it perfect for large, complex projects. While its professional edition comes with a cost, its comprehensive features justify the investment for many. However, it can be more resource-intensive, requiring a robust machine for optimal performance. Visual Studio Code, or VSCode, is a lightweight yet powerful code editor from Microsoft, highly customizable through its vast extension marketplace. It supports numerous programming languages, including Python, offering flexibility for diverse development tasks. Jupyter, on the other hand, is an open-source web application ideal for interactive computing, data science, and machine learning. It allows for creating and sharing documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text, making it excellent for exploratory work. Choosing the right tool depends entirely on your project and workflow. For large-scale, enterprise-level Python development requiring deep code intelligence and robust debugging, Pycharm is often the superior choice. If you need a versatile, fast, and highly customizable editor for multi-language projects, VSCode is an excellent option. For data exploration, interactive analysis, and sharing reproducible research, Jupyter notebooks are unparalleled. Consider your specific needs to make the best decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.